Hey there, my name's Daniel Dwyer, and you're taking a look at my quarter one project here at Galvanize. I call it Think You Know Trivia. Right now I'm hosting it at my domain, danieldwyer.net. This is the page as you see it when you first navigate. Over here, just some facts on the game, how to play the game, and it is a Jeopardy style game. All the questions are taken from previous Jeopardy episodes. Just a little thank you here to JService, which is the API I use. JService has every Jeopardy question asked. Actually, now Jeopardy's been around since 1964. A little side note, and they have over 156,000 questions. So the questions are totally random when they're asked, and that is all courtesy of JService. So right here you'll see there's some inputs, how many players you want to play the game, either one or two. If you want one player, you just simply fill out their name there. If you want two players, go ahead and click that. It'll bring up a input for player two's name. I'm going to go ahead and fill out some names. And then down here you'll select the number of rounds you want to play, either one, two, or three. There's 10 questions per round. So two players, we'll do 2 rounds. So that's 20 questions a person. As you can see, lines up here on the scoreboard. Player 1 goes first, Daniel. And these are his score balls. If he gets his questions correct, they'll turn green. If he gets them wrong, they'll turn red. And likewise with player 2 down here. Also calculated is the winnings, or I guess it could be the losing. So each question, just like in Jeopardy, has a value. The lower the value, the easier the question. The higher the value, the more difficult. So player 1 goes first, as you can see here, round 1, question 1, Daniel's turn. If he goes and gets this question correct, he will gain $400. If he gets it wrong, he'll lose $400. Here's where the question appears. You can see this one. The joke was on Archie when Sammy Davis Jr. planted a kiss on his cheek on this show. Not really sure. So down here there's a hint button. You can go ahead and click the hint button and a hint appears. And what the hint is simply the category that the question appeared in when it did appear on Jeopardy! Another, I guess, what could be considered a hint is when the question aired. So this one, 2012, Jeopardy being from the 60s, some of them are older questions, and knowing when the question did air can help you gauge your answer. So you go ahead and type your answer in there. I'm still not sure of it, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it blank and check my answer. So I got that wrong. You can see my scoreball lit up red. The last answer was All in the Family, and it moves on now to player two's turn, Johnny. There's his question. It's a $600 question. Again, just randomly generated. Could be any value, any question, and aired at any time. You can see player 1's winnings is down to negative $400, and now player 2 will go. I'll show you a quick look at what the game would look like if it's a one-player game. So you just, instead of clicking 2, leave it at 1. Go ahead, we'll do 1 round, 10 questions, 1 player. So there's my name, player 1 winnings, my turn. In this game created in '79, a roll of the die determines the color-coded category of the upcoming question, a $200 question. So I should know this one, I'm not sure. Aired in 2007. Go ahead and check it, Trivial Pursuit. Go figure. So this is my game in essence, 1 or 2 player game. Pick the number of questions you want to answer. Questions appear here. You plug in your answer here, can get a hint there. And then you go ahead and submit your answer and your winnings and your score is tallied. If you want to start a new game, not really doing so hot, you just go ahead and click that button. If you want to send me some feedback via email, that button's there for you. And then if you want to take a look at my code or add to the code, you can look at the GitHub repository, which includes all the code for this game. Thanks for taking a look and have a great day.